Shalom, Israel. I want to first and foremost start off by giving infinite praise unto Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahushua, Ba'ashem, Rakakadash. I'd like to say Shalom, Washem, Kabad, God, Water, Rakab, Sequayim Nawa, Wahashali Yakim Nawa, which of course is double honors to our elders and our apostles of Great Millstone, and Shalom, Wabarakim, Labakarium, Show Yasha Allah, which is peace and blessings unto the elects of Israel. Real quick, just want to jump into this quick article on RT News. All right. And this is just something that I want to point out because, of course, this is according to prophecy. OK, the scriptures talk about how there should be earthquakes and uproars of the people. OK, so I just wanted to bring out just this short article on the earthquakes that's going on over there in Oklahoma. OK, so it says 4.5 magnitude earthquake shakes Oklahoma shortly after Trump rally wraps up in Tulsa. All right. It says a 4.5 magnitude earthquake struck Oklahoma at a shallow depth of about 8 kilometers, United States Geological Survey reported. It came shortly after U.S. President Donald Trump's campaign rally in Tulsa. All right. It says the USGS initially reported as a 4.2 magnitude earthquake, but later upgraded it to 4.5. Okay. It says the earthquake struck at 10:15 local time, 3:15 UTC, around 10 kilometers, 6.2 miles northwest of Perry, about 72 miles from Tulsa, which hosted the Make America Great Again rally on Saturday evening. All right. And like I said, I just wanted to bring this out because we understand that this is all according to prophecy. When Yahushua left, that was one of the things that he mentioned. Okay, he mentioned those earthquakes. So this is real quick. I want to grab this and I'm gonna jump back. Matthew chapter 24, and I'll just get straight to the point. Verse 7, it says, For nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom, and there shall be famines and pestilence and earthquakes in diverse places. All right, or diverse, same thing. Okay, in diverse places. All right. So these are just one out of many. All right, there's earthquakes going on all throughout the world. All right, there's different reports of earthquakes happening overseas and in these different third world countries. Okay, so this is part of the signs. All right, that Hamashiach, Yahushua Mashiach, all right, he's on his return, man. Okay, he is on his way back. All right, we just got a few more prophecies that need to heighten as far as the RFID chip. All right, as far as famine. Okay, martial law. All right. And that's it, man. Jacob's trouble is right around the corner. Okay. So this is what we do, man. We can compare these spiritual things, with spiritual things. All right, with what the scriptures say. So it says, continuing on, local media reported that tremors were felt in Tulsa as well. There have been no reports of damage or injuries from what is considered a minor quake. However, seismic events of this scale are not unheard of in Oklahoma, as it has been seen a spike in earthquakes since 2009. There's an ongoing debate whether the increase of earthquakes has been primarily due to fracking, while some say that the technique used to extract oil and gas from deep underground is driving force behind the surge. Others argue that it's far from being the only cause. Okay. So they're asking if, these fracking, pretty much them pumping the oil out of the earth, if that's the cause of it, but really we understand the cause of it to be what? To be the words of Yahweh Hashem Yahushua, these prophecies, man. All right. These things are inevitably going to happen. Okay. It says the USGS says that only a small fraction of the quakes could be linked to the highly controversial process, stating that the largest earthquake known to be induced by hydraulic fracking in Oklahoma in 2019 was just a 3.6 magnitude earthquake. While Saturday evening's earthquake did not likely phase Oklahomans who experienced similar events on a more and less regular basis, the U.S. president detractors on Twitter seized the opportunity to suggest that it was Mother Nature's response to the first MAGA rally in 3 months. So it is such a coincidence that this earthquake, we know that nothing is a coincidence, but to these people, it's such a coincidence that this earthquake happened on the same day as Trump's rally, all right, in Oklahoma after 3 months. His first rally in 3 months. Okay, so there got to be signs of the Lord, man. All right, so let me get another one. This is Isaiah chapter 29 and verse 6. Thou shalt be visited of the Lord of hosts with thunder and with earthquakes, and great noise, with storm and tempest and the flames of devouring fire. And all right, so all of these things are going to come, and then eventually what? Those flames of devouring fire. All right, which are those ICBM nuclear missiles, as well as that concentrated fire from the chariots, man. Okay. So it says, that was pretty much it on that. I did want to go into the word earthquakes, and that word earthquakes is ra'ash. All right. Ra'ash. Salaki, let me go click it again. There we go. Yeah, so the word for earthquake, it says ra'ash, quaking, rattling, shaking, earthquake, quaking, trembling of persons, shaking, quivers, all right, of darts, all right, showing you that part of the reason why there's going to be heavy earthquakes in them latter times is due to what? It's due to those thermonuclear missiles, man, all right? The scriptures say that it's going to rock the earth to and fro like a drunkard, okay? It says commotions, uproars, confused noise. All right, that confused noise is what? Those explosions, fierceness, quaking, rattling, rushing, and shaking. All right, all of that is the ra'ash, okay? And I also got it in the Ibaryaf, just so you brothers can see how it look. But the word right there, all right, is ra'ash, okay? The word at the very bottom, it says wa ba ra'ash, okay? Wa ba ra'ash, all right? Let me just bring out this last precept, and I'm going to close right out. Of course, this is 2 Ezra 9 and verse 1, and he answered me then and said, measure thou the time diligently in itself, and when thou seest part of the signs pass, which I have told thee before, then shalt thou understand that it is the very same time wherein the highest will begin to visit the world which he made. Okay? Therefore, when there shall be seen earthquakes and uproars of the people in the world, all right, earthquakes, all right, that ra'ash, all right, and uproars of the people, this is what we see, man. Then shalt thou well understand that it is the Most High that spake of those things from the days that were before thee, even from the beginning. Okay, it says, for like as all that is made in the world have a beginning and an end, and the end is manifest, even so the times of the highest have plain beginnings and wonders and powerful effects and powerful works, and endings and effects and signs. All right, and these are the signs that the Lord, okay, is these are the signs that the Lord is coming back, man. All right, these are the things that we're measuring. Okay, we're seeing earthquakes, we're seeing uproars of the people in the world, as well as multiple other prophecies that are playing out. All right, so this must be the time, man. This is it. All right, this is our time, man. All right, where our Lord is going to stand back, rescue us, okay, redeem us, all right, from the land of our enemies, man. So with that, I hope this is edifying into the elect. Of course, I want to give all praise to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh, Shah, Ba'ashem, Rachah, Kadash. All right, till next time, I'd like to say Shalom.